Gonna show out, baby. Okay, show out for my kids. So we're at the beach. I'm tired as hell. And something I realized recently was I've been suffering from a whole lot of mom guilt. Why never anybody ever tell me about mom guilt? I'm normally very good at yes, Papa. I'm very good at normally posting pictures on Instagram and stuff. But now that I have Milani, I realized that I have a whole bunch of anxiety when it comes on to Kai, get over here, to taking pictures and stuff. So I was researching and I realized it's called mom guilt. Kai. This little boy. So yeah, I haven't been doing great at taking pictures. I asked my husband about it because he's the one that normally takes all my pictures. Anytime I'm away for a certain amount of time, I feel like, oh my god, I need to go get to them, and they're fine. But I guess it comes with the territory. No? I wanna.
You know that one push button you can have out? So they must stay on this side and this side and you step on them.
Oh,
Step on one of them.
No.
Yeah, that's when you do that.
Oh my. Oh Lord, look at her.
I'll give you
60 seconds is a very long time. Yeah.
Remember that next time.
Alright, so.
Anyhow, me triple 60 seconds call me a champion. Remember that next time?
Alright, you hear me? Look for Milani, you look like Milani, I go sleep. I hold me short. Excavator, Papa. Anyways, we can't see nothing from this direction.
Yo, big girl, come on, brighten up.
So as you can see, those are Valentine's Day balloon in the back of the car. I actually really want to start traditions with my children, and I remember when I was in high school, I didn't have a Valentine's or anything like that, and everybody was coming into class with their roses and their bears and their chocolate, and I kind of felt left out. So for my children, I'm gonna make sure that they have the bare minimum when even if they're not going to school, they're being homeschooled. I still want to have that tradition that they get something for Valentine's Day and they don't feel left out. Okay, and if my kids are actually gonna go to school or go to high school and stuff like that, I'm gonna show out, baby. Okay, show out for my kids. Because I wanted somebody to do that for me, but no one ever did. So I'm gonna do that for my kids and keep it as a tradition and do it every single year. I'm tired as hell. I was up at 3 a.m. doing my chemical peel, which you guys will probably see in a different video. I've been up ever since. I drank some wine and then some sangria and mixed it all up, and it didn't go down good. Okay, I was stuck in the bathroom for hours. A bit TMI, but whatever, it's life. So yeah, happy late Valentine's Day, because I'm sure this video is gonna go up late. So or go up after Valentine's Day, I should say. Oh, but yeah, I need to go home and do something with my hair so I can look cute tomorrow. Somewhat. Anyways, see you in the next clip. In the next clip, you're probably gonna see me put together Valentine's Day stuff. So I'm in my messy closet. This is my new hideaway. I love in here. This is where I hide everything. Big and spacious. But anyways, I'm gonna put together these Valentine's Day gift bags. Those are for something else. This is Milani's. I got some makeup brushes for Nika. This is the one that Nika picked. I got this one for Kai. And this one is for Mommy. Goldfish. One's for Nico, one's for Kai. This is also for Nico. I got Nico a cup. I got Kai one also. Kai's always losing his cup. So that is why I got it. This for Nika. This is also hers. I got Kai these mini sunglasses because he loves sunglasses. Anything he sees his dad doing, he always do. So I got him some sunglasses. This is also his. This bag is gonna be for Babe. Oh, this is Maker's. It's just chocolate. This is his favorite candy. Then I got cards. So and it says but I'm also accepting jewelry flowers and spa treatment. I need to sign these though. Well, I'll show you guys what happens tomorrow when I give her a body ticket. Peace and hair grease.